In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram unable to send messages. If your messages are stuck on sending or just won't go through, follow along and try each solution in order. After each one, test by sending a short message to any chat so you'll know right away if the issue is resolved. Start by refreshing your phone's network connection. Turn on airplane mode, wait a full 10 seconds, and then turn it off. That brief pause forces your device to drop its current connection and reattach to your nearest cell tower or Wi-Fi router. It's a quick reset that often clears up temporary glitches without changing any of your settings. Once you're reconnected, open Telegram and try sending a message again. If that didn't help, disconnect any VPN or proxy you're using. Encrypted tunnels, congested servers, or region-specific restrictions can interrupt Telegram traffic. Temporarily turn off your VPN or proxy and test Telegram directly on your regular mobile data or Wi-Fi. If messaging starts working, you can either switch to a different VPN server later or keep Telegram off the VPN if you prefer a more stable connection. Next, make sure Telegram is allowed to use data in the background. On your phone, open Settings, find Apps, select Telegram, then open Data Usage, and ensure background data is turned on. This permission lets Telegram maintain a stable connection so messages can leave your device even if you switch apps or lock the screen. If your device uses a data saver mode, confirm that Telegram is still allowed background access there as well. If messages are still stuck, clear Telegram's local cache. Inside the Telegram app, go to Settings, tap Data and Storage, then Storage Usage and choose Clear Entire Cache. This removes temporary files stored on your phone, which can sometimes become corrupted and block normal sending. Don't worry, clearing the cache does not erase your chats or cloud media. It only clears local copies. You may notice some media re-downloading when you open chats again. Finally, check for an app update. Head to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for Telegram, and install any pending update. Updates often include fixes for connectivity bugs, improvements to message delivery, and better compatibility with the latest network changes. Work through these steps patiently, testing after each one. In most cases, refreshing your connection, disabling a VPN or proxy, enabling background data, clearing the cache, or installing the latest update will get Telegram sending messages again. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might be stuck too, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.